Okay guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to factory reset the HP Pavilion TouchSmart 14 Sleek. I have tried the constantly hitting the F11 key and that did not work. So today we'll be trying the F3 key. First thing you want to do is power off your device. Mine's currently in the power off state. That was thunder. I don't know if you heard it. So power on, wait till the LED flashes, just like that, and then you start tapping F3. It'll say please wait down here if it worked. If it does not say that, then it's loading on to Windows. So turn it off by holding the power key and then try again. So turn on, soon as it flashes, start hitting F3, just like that. Once again, it did not go to the menu I wanted it to. Let's try it one more time. This time, let's start hitting F3 earlier. There it goes. Preparing automatic repair. Keep tapping. Diagnosing your PC. And there it is. Hit advanced options. Just like that. Go on troubleshoot. And hit reset this PC right over here. Oh shoot. What just happened? Resetting this PC, getting things ready. Resetting will remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, change the settings back to their default, and reinstall Windows without removing your personal files. That's not what I want, so hit cancel. And then out of these three options, I want to hit once again troubleshoot. Reset this PC. I'm not sure why I clicked this one, but what I'm trying to do is restore factory settings, which means it'll remove everything and reinstall the version of the Windows that came on this PC. Or you could do remove everything, remove all your personal files, apps, and settings, and keep Windows. Now we're gonna restore factory settings. Hit this option. Resetting this PC, getting things ready. Do you want to fully clean your drive? When you remove your files, you can also clean the drive so that the files can be recovered easily. This is more secure, but it can also take much longer. Just remove my files is the first option. Use this if you're keeping your PC. Fully clean the drive. Use this if you'll recycle the PC. This can take several hours. So let's just do the first option. Don't want it to take too long. And all ready to go. Make sure that your PC is plugged in. Resetting will remove all personal files in your account on this PC. Getting the device ready 100%. Got your smug ass.
No, you didn't.
Getting ready. And there you are. Welcome to the setup screen. It says region and language. This is where you set up the country, region, language, and keyboard layout. And that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed, and this is how you factory reset a HP TouchSmart 14 Sleekbook to its factory resetting stage. Peace. Alright, so this is going to be a very quick and basic tutorial on how to upgrade a Windows 10. Nice, beautiful day out. My dog's over here acting crazy. Princess. Bitch.
Well, wake your ass up.
More.